由 Bloomberg 采访本系统之新闻片段。此新闻是在2002年4月22日晚间7点30分在亚洲新闻中播放。发展商 Lebar Daun 将推出4000间综合型房屋发展，为了达到完美无瑕的房屋效果，也采用本系统工法。
Now, prefabricated buildings aren't entirely new in the country, having been associated mostly with the construction of low-cost properties. But a homegrown prefab system promising better results is now being used to put together more expensive homes and also allowing developers to reduce their dependence on foreign unskilled labor. 56-year-old Khoo Tian is no stranger to the construction business. After his business failed in the 1980s, the architectural engineer spent 15 years and over 5 million ringgit to perfect his own prefab technique.
I think the quality should be something controlled by the system, but it's not controlled by human being factor.
Khoo likens his zero-stable panel to children's Lego building blocks and says the consistent quality means they can be used in more expensive developments.
Presently, we are going into a little bit of high-end, medium cost and above. Because we are talking about low cost, there are too many precursors doing low cost, so we were thinking of going into the high-end.
It's the fiberglass molds that put the new panels in a different class to conventional prefab. With a new method, the manufacturers claim they can prevent water leakage and cracks and guarantee smooth and detailed finishings, which should cut down on costs for the buyer.
We also notice that nowadays when people buy houses, they don't mind spending extra $30,000 to $50,000 or $100,000 on renovation.
And if you like a house with a theme, the zero-stable panel allows for architectural designs and features like arches, columns and cornices. But improved quality comes with a price. Khoo's invention costing 20% more than conventional methods. Still, the promise of virtually no defects has prompted developer Lebar Daun to use the method in its 300-acre high-end housing project, where prices start from 229,000 ringgit.
We choose the system because we want them to be satisfied with the quality of house. We wish to have a consistent quality all throughout from number 1 to number 4,000.
Using the system also allowed the developer to reduce the number of foreign workers it needed by half and meant a shorter construction period.
I think you've got to look at the future outlook of the construction business itself. With less dependent on foreign workers, I think a lot more developers might have to adopt this technique somehow or other.
And while it remains to be seen whether the zero-stable panel will be a hit among other developers and property buyers, Khoo's already looking at exporting the technology, having secured patent rights in more than 5 countries worldwide.